Hi there and welcome to Art from the Cottage. So today I'm working on cardstock. The colours that I'm using are ultramarine blue, white cream, raw sienna, cerulean blue, purple and black. So this little seascape is only 7 inches by 5 and I thought it would be a really good way for someone to start getting into and getting used to painting a seascape, and then we're going to frame it, of course, afterwards. So I've got my card taped with masking tape, and we'll obviously that'll make a nice straight line. And I'm just painting a background of my usual very dark blue, and I use ultramarine blue with some brown and some black. I've gone a little bit lighter on the where the sea is going to be, you'll see that. And so I added some cerulean blue to that. Giving myself a little sketch on where I want everything to be, the sky and the cliffs and the sea. So I'm going for an atmospheric dark seascape, and I'm putting quite a lot of heather purpley colours in the sky. I'm putting in a bit of cloud now to see how that's looking over the purple. And I'm exposing where I want the cliffs to be in the background now. And I'm making the clouds more pronounced as I go along. So if you've got a frame and a mount in mind, if you already have that, make sure you do your card, your painting, that will fit inside it and not leave any gaps, or not to be too big. So measure that and measure the inside of the mount. Some people call it a mat instead of a mount, but whatever. Measure the inside, make sure that your painting is going to fit. And I would recommend, if you're just starting out painting, start off small. If you start off too big, it'll be overwhelming. So really large paintings, they take a lot of paint and a lot of time. And this way you could have a lovely painting in, an hour or two, and it'll be all, experience for when you do the big one, the big painting. Now, because this painting is small, I'm not going to overdo the clouds and make them too intricate, and keep the focus on it being quite subtle. If you overdo it, it's just going to look too fussy. It needs to be, this is a simple seascape. And you'll see, I always put the sea in with a palette knife. I think it looks less contrived that way. I'm loving this, the moody, the moody vibe and these colours. So you'll need to tape your card onto a board or something that you can sort of move around a little bit. You don't want to tape it to a table or something, you can't move. And whatever colours you like, you can use, and just use the same principle as I'm showing you here. But you can use, whatever colours that you prefer, of course. And so the sky is forever evolving. I put in darks, I put in lights, and I change it constantly until I like the look of it. Now I'm putting in a tiny lighthouse in the distance, but you could do what you like. You can put in some yachts, you can put in yachts and a lighthouse, you could put in just a couple of yachts, or you can just do what you like. You could put in a moon. I'm just going to leave it at this, keep it simple. And now the painting is finished and we get to take the tape off. Just be a bit careful when you do this, because you don't want to take a chunk out of the actual painting. But if you do, you can just touch it up with a little tiny brush, put the colour back. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, it would be lovely if you could press the like button for me, and I would be absolutely delighted if you decided to subscribe. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall.